Kotoko Kwara United every no. Awal Mohammed sports historian, sports journalist. So guys, so catch say Kotoko be qualify or can easily. Awa, e dey na hu here.
Well, na me emphatic. Honestly, na me gidi say game na course so last week before Enrano. And when Kotoko was scoring 4 goals, I told you say mistakes kakra bi na me hu e wo Kotoko afam. Now over how they were conceding those cheap goals, especially the second goal of John Mark, and of course also share the third goal now. Kwara for no share. I think that it was petty mistakes. I felt that if Kotoko is able to address those mistakes, they were going to qualify. Obekaya, Mesaka said, I saw the determination that Kotoko went with Ewo Dance Park, Ewo Baby against Gold Stars in the Ghana's version of the Super Cup.
Yeah.
You saw said, okay, I said, baby, any share Kotoko. Ewo the Gal cut off.
Yeah.
So it was a rematch of what went on during the Gal cut off. And Kotoko played a determination game.
Yeah,
Kotoko were determined because not defensively they were solid.
Yeah.
Midfield they were tackling. They were running in for all the balls. Abet Amwa and alongside Kwame Poku, Morphine those who at the point were also running Ewa the attack. And through to that words, Kotoko won by goal to nil, courtesy Hamzata. And I said, if Kotoko goes to Kwara United with that strong determination, Kotoko will make it to the next stage.
On the day.
Yes. And I mean, who lineup now? It was virtually a 4-4-2 lineup.
Yeah, 4-4-2.
But on paper, who is a 4-4-2? In reality, it tends to be a 3-back. So you saw that Coach Karim Zito decided to make some couple of changes on the setup.
Okay.
Or introduce Samba say Omba into the midfield. And or they we and Riansu Ebeka Joseph Ablong or the centre back no. Obekaya Hamzata Eshase as the right back. Ewa Grand Sports Stadium. But Oma Lord Amwa boy. And Osama Joseph Paul Amwa Ekoye left back in place of Patrick Essien. So say why Kotoko there were 5 players on the pitch on defenders.
Yeah. No,
5 players on defenders. And that is Samba, Obeka
and the 4 defenders.
Obeka Lord Amwa, Obeka Joseph Paul Amwa, and of course Obeka Ablo. So in reality, when Kotoko is having the ball, those right backs will go forward and serve at wing backs. Not Samba slotted in the middle of either those 2 guys, Mika Joseph Ablo and of course Henry Ansu. Now set up a 3-back. And you saw Hilary Adabo was the main center midfielder. And Oma Hubejau the Mezela role. Half 7, half midfielder.
Super.
As on chain, not Samba in the middle. And show how he scored the goal. He was running at the right side of the midfield. And not slotted by the middle. And not picking the pieces from the second ball. And not then he left a share. And I think I was really impressed with Morphine Dozu. Because, yes, I'm honestly made me impressed because and on the hair boss he was wrestling with the defenders.
Technical.
Yes. Obi Obeka say hold the ball, but you saw say he was wrestling with the defenders. So and only a better more chance to pick up the second ball.
Yes. Yeah, that's a pan.
And only a better more chances to pick up the second balls. And of course, Pitami da Makwakwa was quiet within the game. And yet it's a first leg now you yes. And you saw say Coach Sani Eka say we identifying the dangerous player within the Kotoko setup. So or a plan for him in the second leg, and prove to his words, yes, he and Shedan who Pitami do acquire game. But the most important thing is Kotoko needed the qualification and they've had it. Yeah, for the first time, Kotoko are winning over Nigerian soil. Many catch say at least you bring a Nigerian team a bet me Kotoko. It shouldn't be Kwara United. Because when your team be a mob BI or Nigeria, and ye Yimba, and ye Nugu Rangers, and ye Kano Pillars. And yes, stationary stores, all those big sites now, or more Bobra or Africa. So I felt that Kotoko were going to qualify. And like I told you, Kotoko have qualified.
Amen. Jobo. You know what? So you better know I say qualify.
It was a Kotoko work. History favors Kotoko.
Qualify.
History favors Kotoko. But the thing is, the level of how our football has fallen off.
Yeah, I don't know.
Kenya said work, it shouldn't be a game.
Work,
because work, ba ma bagana nyina kotoka shom. Yes. 87, 2002, 2004. Even near cup, even Kotoko won. 2-1. Away goal rule.
Samra phone Africa.
Yes, away goal rule. And on the winning.
Yeah,
so history favor Kotoko, but our football has fallen off the pecking. That is where the danger no bet me. But let's say now the who's the can say many call work no home.
Say was here
before the game. Now a month for Kwara there. Yes. Won't focus on the Kwara game. Kotoko we are, but I did not amount for him say work Kotoko game. It should be a Babayara game.
Of course, who do Babayara?
It should be a Babayara game. But unfortunately, CAF were blacklisted Babayara.
See a very
Babayara en Castadia, Africa. CAF Ajitu. See a very okay Ghana ni Angola. Pitch in the time. Am I even match commissioner of the game? Actual report. Am I a banner? Even the entire nation, they ban us from playing at Babayara. And a quiet year, say, and they boy games.
One man,
but Kotoko one game, Babayara. Let's see what happens. So NSA, any GF, betting combine forces together. No more to me, Jumana. Yeah, invite car from paying for. Yes. Now invite car from paying for Babayara. So if stadium no fit for purpose for the Kotoko war game, let's see what happens. But I hope and pray say bear Babayara.
That's our game no Uza Sunday now what to car no Babayara.
Give Babayara game. But let's see what happens. Kotoko game.
And it will give people the memory of 2002, 200.
Yeah. Who's at least a bema numbers. And also who's work there a big club.
It's NSA for to invest in the stadium.
NSA GFA must combine forces.
Yeah.
No more contact CAF. Juma finishing touches says a war says so your munye near invite CAF and paying for it. That's so bremo.
Yeah.
So moon says stadium no a fit for purpose for the Kotoko war game because that game there, medical car.
Okay, who do you that? Ghana Premier League, no, yes, bounce.
Yeah.
It has for the one more.
Who's a catcher said Ghana Premier League, the Shas, and catcher said Kotoko Beba Babayara, October.
Yeah, October,
October, because after the first game against the Chelsea, the next two games in Aqua Africa. So by the time Kotoko be free Africa, near we call the next month. So October, and a Babayara. Ebe waiting in Kotoko Ghana Premier League. So you hope to say Babayara ebe hosti Kotoko work.
Yes, inshallah.